Welcome back. This time to lifting all these floor beams. We've got to go from here into there. If you don't know who I am, I'm Ginger Dust. Please subscribe and like. Let's have an easy day lifting beams. Not to worry, we have this skateboard. It's the world's best tool. Right, bits of rope around the ends to lift it. Measure into the centre. Well, that wheel looks bent.
It's bent already?
Yeah. We'll be done by breakfast, won't we? Beam, innit? Oh, good doggy. Last one, or this one. So they're all 440s apart from the last one, which is 250. So 440 is a full block. Beams. Were delivered. The ones we needed to finish off that bay are at the bottom. And that's why they're at the bottom of the pile. Get in there. So under. And then through there. And you've got yourself a Was that full block again?
Go to your eyes a bit more if you want.
Stay hydrated. Now these are all full blocks, so we've got a bed, these little slivers on, all the way along there. These get bedded on top of that. They're all cuts, so we have to cut the blocks to stick in there. Another little cut in there. Other than that, good job. Cuts along here, and over there we're waiting for the gas pipe to be taken out so we can butt that against the wall. That's all done with a few cuts. Got to grout that and do all the cuts tomorrow. I'm at a different job. So all them cuts done, going along there, nice and easy. Right, that's another job. Please let me know what you think of this. I mean, it's a brilliant bit of kit, saves your back. It's amazing really. Probably just imagine doing them beams on, I don't know, bits of pipe. To be a killer of a day. So comment below any tools that you think would make the best list, because I think that would be on it. It's brilliant. So you know what to do. You got to subscribe and like, and please press that bell. I'll see you in the next one. Happy Easter.